Hello, today we're looking at some designs that we completed. YouTube videos, you can go back and watch them. We have our leftover junk in the store bouquet. We have our companion piece here to our larger piece here. Watch the tutorials. See how we made these? And we have our flower crazy design. These flowers are almost 2 weeks old and still going strong. You can tell when I squeeze, they're a little soft, getting a little soft. That means I should recut them or maybe soak them all underwater for a couple hours. That'll rehydrate them and firm them up to go on living for another week or two. So that one was done with Flower Crazy. This one was our main piece today, done with flowers from Michael's Flower Garden at michaelsflowergarden.com. And this was a companion piece done in a similar container. Obviously going to the same event or party. Simple to do. I did these in about 8 minutes each, and then we had leftover flowers that I threw together from a bouquet out of my book, Paris, Lessons from the Paris School of Flower Design. Available on a website. So any of these things, the Flower Garden, Flower Crazy, can be found at our main site, which is flowerschool101.com. We have hypericum berries, in case you're wondering, Asiatic lilies. There's white heather right over there. Some China grass over there. I have leucodendron. But look at the color of those berries, they're almost black. So Michael Gaffney is saying, join us in class. There's no excuse not to have gorgeous flowers that last you 2 weeks at flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming.